Good morning. It is Thanksgiving Eve, and I have some stuff I actually have to do. I don't have to go to, like, get a whole bunch of groceries because I shopped online. Hold on. Stop being rude. I went shopping online to get, like, all the stuff that I was cooking for today because I just already knew what it was about to be. Like, I'm not finna be in the store doing all that with these people. So I got my stuff online. I'm gonna have to pick it up at about 4, so I gotta do that today. I need to go get like some disposable pans. I need to find a strawberry cake mix, and I need to find some french fries. All the bacon stuff is sold out. Obviously it's kind of annoying because I thought you hoes was cooking from scratch. But this year for Thanksgiving I'm not going traditional, only because it just be too much pressure. It be too much going on. I be getting anxiety. I don't really like all that pressure on me of having to cook like all this big old shit. Like, I'm gonna do that Christmas time. So this year we're going on traditional. I'm gonna do rotel dip, homemade hot wings, sliders, chicken tenders, fries. Those are for Anthony. Cocktail weenies. We're gonna do cake and cookies. I think that's it. If I forgot something, I'll let y'all know. But that's what we doing this year. We just decided to play it cool. My family won't be here for Thanksgiving. Anthony's dad is coming down later on tonight. So I mean, that'll be cool to see a familiar face. But yeah, I gotta go get the rest of that stuff. I need to find some wine, y'all. This red wine called Woolridge or Bridge, which one of the two. This lighting is terrible. This angle is terrible. I'm terrible. I'm gonna put it in the corner or somewhere. Wood, Bridge, Ridge, one of that. I need to go find that wine because you can't have Thanksgiving without a cocktail. My face. This is actually a really good skin day for me. My skin has been really dry. Like, it's dry all right here and all right here. Like, you see these little, that's dry. That's what that is. That's literally dry spots. But yeah, I woke up in a really weird mood. This is which is kind of why I turned the camera on. I'm in a weird ass mood. I'm gonna have to work on that because it's supposed to be the holidays tomorrow, and I'm in a weird ass mood. So I don't know why, but I had a weird ass dream. Okay, so if y'all remember from my last vlog, I was talking about how I really like the show Sex and the City, and that one of my exes remind me of Mr. Big, and I was supposedly like Harry. Okay, so we're gonna start from here. We're gonna call him Mr. Big from now on, just in case the bitch ever come up again. So I had a dream about Mr. Big. Weird, because I'm past that point in my life. Like, I really used to be in a weird space with all of that. We'll get into it. We might get into a story time one day about all of that, but he was recently in the picture and he's no longer in the picture, but whatever. And I was going through the phase where I was just always thinking about him, like dreaming, daydreaming, just thinking, just, you know, in that weird phase. And I don't know why, but last night I had a dream, and it was crazy because I literally kept waking up and going back into the fucking dream. Y'all, I was in a chokehold, bitch. Literally every time I woke up and went back to sleep, I would fall right back into place of where the fuck I was at in that dream, and it was not letting me go. It was really weird. I've never been able to do that. Like, if y'all follow me on social media or know me personally, y'all know my brother had passed in September, and I would literally have dreams about him and wake up and try to go back to sleep and get in a dream, and it would be fucking gone. Like, it gone into a dream black hole, wherever the fuck dreams go. But last night I was waking up and going back to sleep and just kept being around this bitch. I was like, okay, I don't have time I used to read my horoscope all the time to kind of see like where my feelings is at and like what the day was gonna bring, because I'm really into that astrology shit. But I don't know, I haven't done that in a long time, because I associate that with Mr. Big, because I was so obsessed with what was going to happen in our relationship, situationship, that I would keep up with our horoscopes. So I had let all that go. But I think I need to take a little look and just kind of see what's going on, because that was really weird. And I'm in a weird ass fucking mood. And it's the holidays, and like I said, my brother's gone. That's weird too. And it's just weird. I'm in a shitty ass mood. I'm in a shitty ass mood. And I don't know, I'm in a shitty mood. And this is why I'm vlogging again, because literally like these past 2 vlogs, like it's really making me happy. So we're gonna try to turn the page. We're gonna try to turn the page. I don't know what the fuck is going on. But this is life. Like this is like really what I be going through, and just it's fucking weird. I know it don't sound like it's like a really big thing, but you gotta know the backstory. It's really weird. And I'm a lame ass bitch, and I'm crying on camera, and that's stupid. But yeah, may or may not leave this in. Because what is even your problem? But I'm in a weird mood. So we're gonna try to make this day great again. I'm probably gonna go get some coffee. Do I have coffee at home? Yes. Do I need to be spending money on coffee? No. Is me going to go get coffee going to spark joy? Yes. So we're probably going to go get coffee. But I feel like my brain is all over the place because I'm in a bad fucking mood. Yeah, it was just really weird. Okay, so Kroger pretty much diminished my social capacity for today. Fuck those pans. I will use what I got. Stop being lazy. If I don't want to wash the dish, I'll fucking make my baby daddy do it. I'm not going anywhere else. I found I got what I mainly needed. They didn't have the fucking wand. I'm not gonna lie, I'm shitty about that. I really am. I could try the liquor store, but I'm not. I'm about to go get me some coffee, and I'm about to take my black ass home. I'm so upset. Oh, can I get you? Yes, can I get a medium fresh vanilla cold brew with extra cream and sugar?
Extra cream and sugar?
Yes.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
Alright, $3.49.
I really hope that this is a good day for Dunkin'. This is the Dunkin' Donuts by my house, and I swear y'all, every time I come here, the drink is chef's kiss. Like, they never fuck up my order. I don't know, whoever be making it be putting just the right amount of sugar and cream in that bitch. Every time, y'all. Every fucking time. That shit is crazy. I'm feeling activated.
Okay, I'm feeling activated.
Thank you for this place.
Thanksgiving at the Niche XO resident, y'all. This year we went untraditional.
Yeah.
We got some rotels, some chicken tenders, some sliders, some cocktail weenies, and some homemade hot wings. So what do you think, Baba?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, Mom. And this is the best Thanksgiving ever. I told you we cannot start Thanksgiving until you come here.
All right, you heard it here. BD's here.
Fantastic.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So, today is Tuesday. I am extremely tired. I just woke up and made me a coffee the size is my a coffee the size of my damn head. I got a nigga rig setup going, excuse me. And this is my morning voice also, by the way. But yes, Tuesday, the holidays is over. Well, the holiday, Thanksgiving is over. We had an amazing time. It was really fun. We really had fun. It was good to decompress and just not have to like do a lot. As y'all saw, we did like an untraditional Thanksgiving just because that's just what we do. Like we didn't really want to like be worried about like cooking a big ass ham, and you know, it's just me and Anthony, and I just didn't want all that pressure and all that anxiety and shit going on to make no meal. And I'm gonna wait to do that Christmas time when my sister and my mama come down here. So plus like my son and my baby daddy, they really don't like care to have like the traditional big meal. Like they like to do different shit like that. You know, like my baby daddy rather have sliders, wings, shit like that. But yeah, we had a ball. It was cool. Like I said, it was really fun to do something and not be having to be like busy. The week, like the couple days before Thanksgiving, like I was editing a lot, which I sat down to edit right now. I'm editing this vlog. I was editing, and I literally was editing and filming that Monday. The vlog, you guys, the previous vlog that's up, if y'all haven't seen that, please go check it out. I'll link it below. I was editing and filming from like 12 to like fucking 6 o'clock after I had got done cooking dinner. And I didn't finish editing all the way until 11 because I had cooked the dinner, I stopped, I ate, and then I had edited until 11 at night. And I lost the footage. And it almost made me like quit YouTube altogether again. Like, that was one of the biggest reasons why I had stopped doing YouTube too, just because it's just so much that goes into it. And then not knowing like if a motherfucker is even gonna take the time to watch it and appreciate it. And I was so mad. I almost broke my camera, the laptop. I just really almost said fuck it. But I was so excited about the footage that I had got, and my editing skills is getting back good. So I was so excited about that I restored them. It took me 4 hours, but y'all got a vlog. So I appreciate, with that being said, I appreciate anybody who's taking the time to watch my vlogs and comment on my channel and just taking the time. You know, I almost slipped back into the number trap. I was on YouTube Studio and I was looking up a few things, trying to add some hashtags, just some YouTuber shit, and I almost slipped back into like the number hole, looking at who was looking, who wasn't looking, how long y'all look. Like, I almost fucked up, but that's really just not what it's about for me. I really just like YouTube right now. As I said earlier in the vlog, we gon' I pretty much had a mental breakdown, and as I was saying, like, YouTube is kind of helping with everything that's going on in my life. It's just fun right now, and I'm gonna keep doing it until it's not fun. So yeah, that really pissed me off, and I was completely drained after that. So when the holiday came, I was ready. I was ready. So yeah, we had a good time. What else? I had plans to get up and take y'all with me, and we do need to go do some stuff. I needed to get some sleep. I haven't been asleep, so I slept in. It was kind of hard because it's a fucking some loud motherfucker moving across the street. So I heard his Penske truck all morning, pissing me off. But I'm asleep. You know, I got some sleep, but I had to wake up and obviously take care of things. What else? I'm gonna be 31 this weekend. I'm gonna be 30 fucking 1. I don't know how I really feel about it. When I turned 30, I spiraled out, poo. I was spiraled out. When I turned 25, I spiraled out. I just, getting older, it scares me sometimes. And then it's just, you know, a lot of mental shit. It's basically a lot of mental shit. I'm not gonna be getting deep this whole video, bitch. I've done enough. Okay, but yeah, I will be alone for my birthday. It'll just be me and Anthony. That's alone because he's 10. But that is weird. That's weird. I'm trying to work on like meeting people and stuff. That's whatever. I'll probably be alone, but if I do something, I will take y'all with me. But if you made it to this point of the video, right now when y'all seeing this, it's my birthday. It's the day of my birthday. So I want y'all to comment happy birthday, Niche, and show me some love. 31.